Today's verse. Hello, I am Bird Brian. I have a verse for you about an eagle. I know I'm not an eagle, but it sure makes me want to soar like an eagle. That would be fun. It's Isaiah 40:31. Hello. Okay, to begin, Isaiah 40:31. Okay. It's But they that wait upon the Lord shall renew their strength, and they shall mount up with wings as eagles, and they shall run and not be weary, and they shall walk and not faint. Ooh, I hear a waterfall in the background. Makes me want to soar above it all. Here I go. I'm flying off, soaring like an eagle. Jesus loves you. Bye-bye now.